How are you today?
Hello, I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Can I have a coffee, please?
Of course. Do you want milk or sugar?
Yes, milk, please. How much sugar do you recommend?
1 spoon is enough.
Okay. Can I also have a sandwich?
Sure. There is a turkey sandwich and a cheese sandwich. Which one do you want?
I want the turkey sandwich, please.
Good choice. Do you want something to drink with it?
No, just coffee is fine.
Is it for here or to go?
It's for here. Can I sit near the window?
Yes, there is a free table next to the window.
Thank you. How long do I have to wait for the coffee?
Only a few minutes. I'm preparing it now.
Great! What kind of coffee is the most popular?
The latte is very popular.
Can I try it next time?
Of course. Would you like to pay now?
Yes. How much is it?
$2 for the coffee and $5 for the sandwich.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, it is free. The password is on the wall.
Thank you. Can I plug in my laptop?
Yes, there is an electric socket next to the table.
Perfect. How long do you work here?
I work here from Monday to Friday.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it a lot. How about you? Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work in the office near the park.
That's interesting. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock. And you?
I start at 7 in the morning.
Wow, that's early. Do you drink coffee too?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
How many cups do you drink per day?
Usually 2 cups.
Do you eat breakfast here?
Sometimes. There are sandwiches and pastries.
Which pastry do you recommend?
The chocolate croissant is very good.
I will try it next time.
Great. Can I bring your coffee now?
Yes, please.
Here is your latte with milk and sugar.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
You are welcome. Do you need a spoon or a napkin?
Yes, a napkin, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can I order another coffee later?
Yes, of course. You can order anytime.
Great. Can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept credit cards.
Perfect. How many tables are there?
There are 10 tables in total.
Are they all free now?
No, 3 tables are occupied.
Is it always busy in the morning?
Yes, usually from 8 to 10 a.m.
Can you suggest a quiet time to come here?
After 10 o'clock, it is quieter.
Good to know. Do you have magazines here?
Yes, there are some on the table near the window.
Perfect. I like to read while drinking coffee.
Me too. Reading is relaxing.
Can I order a cookie too?
Sure. There is chocolate and oatmeal.
I want chocolate, please.
Good choice. It is very delicious.
How much is it?
$1.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like to try a new pastry next week?
Yes, I love trying new things.
Great. Do you like hot or cold drinks?
I like hot drinks.
Me too. There is nothing better than a hot coffee on a cold day.
Exactly. Can I bring the cookie now?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Can I eat it here?
Of course. Please enjoy.
I will. Do you have sugar for the coffee?
Yes, I already added 1 spoon.
Perfect. Can I have some water too?
Yes, there's a bottle of water on the counter.
Thank you. Can I refill it later?
Yes, anytime.
Great. Can I have napkins here?
Yes, there's a box on the table.
Perfect. Can I sit here every day?
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you. Can I bring my friend next time?
Of course, there are enough tables.
Great. Can I get a loyalty card?
Yes, here it is. Every 10th coffee is free.
Perfect. I will come often.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee and cookie.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. See you next time.